Alright, so this is taping. The first step, after we swept already to get any little dirt that might stop us from taping. That's like something. I don't know what that
Yeah, it was sticky. I don't know.
You don't want to mess with that.
No.
Alright, so we're gonna tape this. Well, first we're gonna tape. I mean, I can see right here, like if I tape this straight, we're gonna miss a little bit there, so I'm gonna get a little piece in there first. So when we tape this, if anything, we want it to be like barely up on the cabinet or the shoe mold, whatever you want to call this. Especially these kind of floors, the new vinyl that everybody has. The way they're textured, the paint gets into those little grooves. It's really hard to clean. But yeah, if you get like a close-up so you can see, it's not on. Go like from this way. It's just not really, I mean, it's not even really on the wood, but we don't want to see any of that floor. That's the main thing. If we're gonna have, we don't want to have a little bit of the floor showing. We want the tape to be up onto the shoe mold a little bit. And we always use purple on the floors and the painted surfaces. This is a delicate surface tape, so it's not gonna, hopefully not pull the paint off the wall. They did not prime though. So that's what we don't want to, I mean, that's actually on a cabinet, I think. There's one I'm seeing. Yeah, so that's, we just want to make sure, cover all the wall. We don't want to leave so it's sticking out. So this is the first step. That was kind of a neat piece we're taping. So the floors and the wall with that, and then while we're down here, we're gonna tape underneath there, so we don't have to crawl around twice. So we're gonna put some blue tape. What tape you use where matters a lot here. And then here's another weird spot, so we can't tape straight across, so we have this. So we'll put a little piece there. No, we just don't want it to be on the, up here we do not want it to be on the wood. We don't want to have to touch that up with a brush afterwards. At the bottom, it's not gonna matter if there's like a little piece we had to touch up. And up here, if we're gonna leave anything exposed, we want to leave the counter exposed. It's like kind of the opposite of the floor. Because this is not gonna matter so much up there. So I'll just do like this is what we want to avoid, doing stuff like that. Like having it on the wood at all. If you mess it up, just pull it off and re-put it on, or do a new piece of tape. So that's what we're taping first, and then we're gonna continue down this way. And then also when we get to appliances, let's go over by the stove. This one doesn't really matter so much. But when we tape, when we're taping these areas here, we don't want to bridge. Now this one is like really tight. But we don't want to like bridge. We want to be able to stick some paper in there if possible. So like when we're taping this, we don't want to tape like this onto there. Same thing with here. When we're taping the floor, we don't want to tape like up onto this, because we're gonna want to be able to get stuff in there, like in the top and bottom and sides of the stove. And the Dishwasher is similar, but it's not as crucial. All right, that's it for tape.